Hello everyone. So today, 28th of October 2024, very close to Diwali, and the market has been behaving uh, very, uh, I would say, volatile in a very volatile manner. And I think we need to understand the reasons for this volatility because knowing it would help us probably adjust our portfolios, our investments according to it, as well as also prepare it for future. Also, we would really like to know when the market is going to turn around as well, because it has been correcting for a little while now, about a month, when the downfall started. And we got some indicators who can help us um, understand when it actually bottoms out so that we put our money at that point in time and so as to make the most of the returns. So here I am, your host today, co-founder IntelliInvest, and I have planned to do these kind of podcasts uh, on on occasions like these, so that um, I can help all the Intelli investors, our followers, uh, and then create wealth in the long run. So that's the whole idea. Um, what I have been doing and trying to do, and I will just share my screen to tell you a little bit about what uh, what I've come up with. So I will just share the entire screen with you, um, and then we go through some interesting uh, facts, right? So here we start, and if you look at uh, this is something I have been analyzing for the last uh, couple of days, and this is a pivot. So this is a data extract which we have pulled out from our analytics. So ignore the probably the div. I think probably it gets cleaner from here on. And it talks about three things. And I think just focus, I will just hide these columns so that it doesn't distract you. Um, Look at this. So we have a prediction tool. So it predicts the stock prices in advance. Now, what I've done is I have taken out the Nifty 100 stocks. And then I have aggregated the forecast values and also the stock quality and the stock ranking. Now, these are very proprietary tools, but I really would like to explain it a little bit so that it helps. Now you see that if it is saying 0.04 and green, which means we are expecting the Nifty 100 stocks to go up by 5% in the next 1 month. So the date is, let's say, 27th of October 2021. So in the next 1 month, it's anticipating a 5%, and next day also it says 5%. So this is, if you look at it, it sees up, 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 up. It's a bull run which is happening. And at the same time, we look at the stock quality. The ember of it means not so good, but you see the green ones, 0.67, 0.74. This is very good. It means stock quality goes up as well. Stock ranking is where you get how many of these Nifty 100 stocks are among the top 100 ranks as well, which is very interesting. So, which means if 90% of the top is also ranked higher, it's a very bullish trend in the market. Now, while we can look at all these numbers, but I think I really would like to identify the bottoms and the tops so that we are able to exit well and also enter well. So let me come closer because we know we have a recency effect, right? So let me find out the last green we had. And if you look at this date, and this is very interesting, uh, it's showing on the 5th of August 2024 that it's gonna go up by 5%. And this is predictions. The quality also is quite good, and also the ranking is quite good, right? And that means that is, and now what we'll do is we will go back to our Nifty graph and say what was happening in August of 4th and 5th rather. Oh, this is the day 5th of August. So if I had analyzed all of that 1 day in advance and told you to buy on this day, which means we were predicting that the market will go up by at least 5%. So 24,000 to 25,000, it's 4%, 4.5%, 5%, approximately got on. And if you go here till here, what we are saying is it would have gone up by 24 to 26. It's roughly around 8%. That's fairly good because then we are seeing it. Now, this is the point of entry for all of us, right? Now, what we do is we buy baskets. We don't buy single stocks. We buy a basket of stocks within that range, right? Now, if I come back to my Excel again, right? So I told you to buy on the 5th of August. Then it was building up, building up, building up, building up, building up, building up. And then I was looking as to when to get out. So I was getting no signal at all, no signal at all. But then something started happening around this time. And this is where, although if you look at, it has not anticipated a bigger fall, but the stock ranking has gone down and also the stock quality has gone down. So this is the time probably when we should actually exit. Now, if I look at this number, this is 26th of September. Let me see in that graph, when is the 26th of September? If I go, this is 26th of September. That means I would have asked you to sell on the end of day this, and you would have probably sold it on this day. That means we actually got real bottom, real top with this analysis. If we go down further, so that can we do a little predictive? And we go down, and this is 24th of October, which is over this weekend. Today is Monday, 26th, 28th. We are expecting the market to go up by 8% from here on. The quality is okay, but the stock ranking is still 42. Maybe 28th is not the best, 24th is not the best day to invest, and we will see how it progresses. But we are getting into a zone where the market might have bottomed out. But all of them in green is what we really would like to see, to be able to tell you exactly at this point on the 4th of August, we got an entry. And if we go out down in history, we will find these greens. And the last green happened on the 3rd of June. You know what that date was? Yeah, very interesting. This is the date. 3rd of June is when we told you should be buying. So you would have bought it on the 4th because 3rd end of day we would have told. And then you would have entered on this date. And if you had entered on this date, it was a big, big bull run. And then this is again an entry point. So if you are topping up your investment, so you already invested here, you would top up around this time and you would exit 50% at least of your allocations and then enter again. Now this is how you multiply wealth, and this is what we have built, and this leverages the power of AI, which is this forecasting methodology, and also the fundamentals and the ranking, which includes the technical, fundamental, industry analysis, and everything, right? So I think we are getting somewhere. We are probably getting close to it, but I thought I will just record this for you and then pass it on so that we can make the most of it in the coming days. So good time to invest. Hold on for the next couple of days, and we would try to close it. Thanks a lot for joining today, and happy investing. Today, invest something today, invest something tomorrow, and the exact date we will let you know through nudges. And if you're on the app, you would see those nudges coming through to you as to when to invest. And some of these indicators we will keep talking about it on social media as well. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye.